Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm gonna continue working on this 2015 Ram 3500, and the first thing what I wanna do is disassemble this front end completely except the hood. And if you haven't saw the video, the link is gonna be right here. Go check it out. I'm going through every single issue with this truck and all the damages was there. But the first thing what I need to do is take this bumper off. I think it's gonna be a little bit pain in the butt to take it out because it's a heavy thing, and I don't know if I'm gonna be able to pick it up alone. That's it, I got the bumper out. And also what I noticed when I was taking the bumper out, there was probably light bar over here, because there's two holes over here, and if we come over here, you can see this cable being cut. So now I think I know what this button is for. This one over here. That's probably a light bar on a bumper. So the things start piecing together. Now what I need to do is take out this grill in order for me to take those headlights out. After taking the grill off, you still actually can't get to the headlight. So now what I'm gonna do is take the fender liner off of the driver's side and passenger side, and then I'm gonna be able to take this filler off on both sides, and then headlight should come out pretty easily. I took the complete front end apart. Everything is out. Fenders, headlights, fender liners. Also, I want to show you something. So, I'm guessing they were off-roading somewhere in either Idaho or Utah, because you can see how much dirt in here, how much grass. So I think they were somewhere on the lake off-roading and trying to get through something. Either they got stuck through the bushes or something, I don't know. So this door, as you saw, it's full of dirt. And something else I noticed over here, I guess they've been through the river or something, like I said, I don't know. But you can see this is pretty decent size rock over here. And also this is the river rock. It's not the rock that was gonna be it's not the rock that's gonna be sitting somewhere outside, because you can see it's smooth rock. So this definitely water was sending it, but yeah, there was a fraud in it, and I guess they smashed the doors with something, I don't know, either door or either tree or who knows what. You will never figure it out what people could do to their trucks. They would do something crazy and you would never think of it. The front end is completely apart. So that's it. I'm not gonna go any further. I basically have to replace the fenders and that's it. So now what I wanted to do is take this door completely apart. I need to get this molding off. The mirror, the emblem, the handle, the trim, and probably this rubber here so I can do the blend. Same thing basically as the GMC. And it's gonna be, that's it for this side. This door is gonna be blendable door. And I'm gonna do something over here so it smooths it out. Let's jump right on it and take it apart. So the issue I have right now is this motor doesn't work, so I can't lower the window. That means I can't get this panel out. That means I can't get the handle out. So somehow I have to figure it out how to roll this window down in order to fit over here in this open area. There's few clips. I need to press it in. So then I need to get this speaker out. That way I can press it in this clip over here also, raise the window up, and then unscrew those 3 bolts over here for the lock, and then I would be able to get this whole thing out. But the motor doesn't work, so I have to figure it out how I'll do that, because I need to disassemble this door completely. Otherwise, I'm not gonna be able to mask it off over here to re-clear this panel over here. I don't know, probably gonna have to take this apart because my hand doesn't fit there. So I'm gonna try to get this motor maybe kinda apart to see if I'm gonna be able to. I wonder if this module is bad or the motor is bad, but hopefully after I unscrew this motor, I'm gonna be able to either twist it or something so I can get this window down. Let's see. Well, now I think I'm gonna be able to turn this. Yep, exactly. See? And that's the bracket. There's a clip that I have to push it in here and there. Now, this is freaking what? 5mm. I'm gonna take this speaker out and should be able to disconnect this window. That's it, this door is completely apart. As you can see, I took everything off. And I'm gonna leave this rubber on. There is no need for me to get this rubber off, but other than that, this door is apart. And if everything works just fine, like the window motor, this door have no issues taking apart. There's few screws on the panel, then there's 10mm screws. It's simply actually get it apart. So that's it. Let's go to the driver's side and let's take the front door apart also. So this door is partially apart. I'm not gonna have to do a lot over here while the window is down. I'm gonna get this molding out, mirror, the door trim, emblem, and this trim probably also. And basically that's gonna be it for the driver's side door. That's it. This door is apart also. Now let's take this door apart. This is gonna be a blending door. And another side is apart. I took this whole door apart. Nothing left on it. Basically, what left to do is Scotch-Brite it, gray Scotch-Brite, but I'm not gonna be doing right now. I'm gonna be doing that when I'm gonna be sending primer. So this door is apart, but they have a locking mechanism. Since it was previously apart and I have to drive home somehow, so I put some of the internals back. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the 320, gonna sand this area right here to get all this roughness out. Same thing I'm gonna do over here. I think you can clearly see better, actually, yeah, see how rough it is. Man, I can't quite show you. Oh, here's the light. See all those deeper bumps, or what do you wanna call them? So this whole side, I'm gonna do 320 over here. Then if everything gonna clear it out, then I'm gonna leave it like it is. Just prime the area where this rock chip is. And over here, I don't think I'm gonna be able to just send it with the 320. I'm probably gonna have to apply putty here, because you can see this edge really good, and then it's kind of smooths it out over here. See this? So that's something I have to take care of. So whenever the customer gonna go to the truck, especially on the sun, you're gonna be able to notice this right away. So here's probably light feeler gonna be. Moving along pretty quick. I like it how's everything getting apart. It's nice, and also gives you motivation that everything just goes so quick. And hopefully I'm gonna be done with this truck real soon. I'm hoping to be done with this truck in a week, but we'll see how things go on. I have a passenger side fender. I'm gonna have to go pick it up the driver's side fender. I have headlights, And also the customer brought me the fender flares. I'm gonna have to paint those also, but for the paint I'll have to wait for my guy, the paint supply guy. We'll see, maybe I'll just gonna stop by at his place to mix the paint. I'm gonna give him either a piece of this fender or the whole fender. I don't know, whichever he prefers. Basically that's it. Now let's grab a bucket of water, 320, and start sanding and see if I'm gonna be able to knock those high spots out. And I'm done with the driver's side door. So I'm done only with the 320. So notice over here I have a big damage. Not the big damage, it's just a high spot and low spot over here. The primer never gonna cover it. So right now I'm gonna mix what is it called? Putty filler? The thin filler, and it's not regular, it's a thinner one. I'm gonna apply one layer over here and let it cure, then gonna send it down with the probably either 180 or 80 them to 180. Then gonna finish everything with the 320. And I guess before I do that I need to wet sand this with the red, actually not the red, with the gray Sketch Brite and the scaffing paste. Same thing with the bed. The bed came out actually pretty good. There's no more damage. Everything looks good. Same thing over here. So I'm gonna sand that down. It's gonna be drying. I will dry this out so I can fill this in. And basically after I finish working with the primer, or not the primer, with the body filler over here, I'll start masking. So not a whole lot left, but there's still some work needs to be done. Let's continue working. That's it guys, I'm ready to start applying body filler here. As you can see, this door completely prepared, which is really nice. I'll do a little bit of masking and just gonna throw a primer. So first thing what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna sand this area right here with the 80 grit. Then gonna wipe the dust down, gonna mix my liquid putty and gonna apply it layer or two. Wait till it dries, sand it, and if one layer gonna be enough, then I'm gonna start masking and priming it. So let's get right to it. That's it, I'm completely done with this body filler. Turns out really good. So basically right now I'm ready to mask everything off and shoot the primer. This door is prepared, same as the bed. So let's roll the plastic, cut out this hole where I'm gonna be painting, actually priming, and let's mix the primer and start shooting it. That's it guys, everything masked out. Also I went ahead and waxed and greased those areas that I'm gonna be priming. Now let's go mix the primer and start applying it. I think I'll go with the 3 or 4 coats because I need the thicker coats over here just in case, you know. I'd rather be safe than sorry. And I'm done with the primer. Front door and the bed is primed. 4 coats, thick coats, so that way I'll be 100% covered. That I'm not gonna send it through any. And also if there's a deeper spots, I can knock it down high spots and those ones gonna be filled in, no problem. Now what I left to do is apply the guide coat. I have a guide coat here ready. Let's apply it. That's it, I'm done right here. Thank you guys for stopping by. Like this video, comment down below, subscribe if you haven't, and also if you want to see the inside scoop before YouTube, follow me on Instagram at Salvagemasterv. Thank you for your support. I'll catch you next one.